Hello there.
In a previous video, we highlighted iPhone 15. I highly recommend you to watch it. Today, we're going to be talking about the latest leaks and rumors about the upcoming iPhone 15 Pro Max. One of the biggest changes we're expecting to see in the iPhone 15 Pro Max is the design.
Okay.
According to the leaks, the phone will have a pill-shaped cutout for the front-facing camera and Face ID sensors, replacing the current notch. This design has been rumored for a while now, and it's starting to look more and more likely. Another big change we're expecting is to the camera system. The Pro models are rumored to get a new periscope zoom camera, which could offer up to 10x optical zoom. This would be a major upgrade over the current 3x optical zoom on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. All models of the iPhone 15 are expected to get a faster A17 Bionic chip. This chip is rumored to be made using a 4nm process, which would make it even more powerful than the A15 Bionic chip in the iPhone 14.